Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. So, Nilesh, I think we can start. One more student will be joining in few minutes. We can start now.
We can
Hello.
start.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi,
Yes.
good evening, guys. This is Nilesh. Hello, am I audible? All of you.
Yeah, you're audible, Nilesh.
So we have already conducted one demo session, and few of you all the like enrolled yourself. Okay. So thank you so much, and let's begin our journey. So I hope I have shared my screen, and I hope it is visible to all of you. Is it?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Okay, fine. So first of all, let's we understand what are the like here we will complete one implementation project or that we are calling as a greenfield. But before to start our journey to the SAP, we have to understand what are the projects which are available in like SAP, and as a consultant, what is our responsibility into the specific project. Okay, so there are many kind of projects are there. One is implementation, support, data migration, upgradation, deliverable projects, okay, or item projects, and the rollout. So this is the like around the six types of projects which are as a consultant we are working over there. Okay, so let's we understand whatever the like what is the like key factors in the project which we have to do. Okay, so basically, in implementation project, that is we are also calling as a greenfield project. Let's we understand what is our like what is the definition of that implementation project. So a brand new SAP system is implemented from a scratch, like any company which is using any for the ERP purpose, enterprise resource planning, we can say ERP. So that ERP object they are using other than SAP, like Oracle or Jira. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay. So like this, if anyone using other than SAP application, so that company have to enroll into their business into a SAP. Like that kind of project, we have to develop SAP from the scratch. That is we are calling as a implementation project. Okay. So new organization or new business, that is we are calling as a moving to SAP for first time, that project we are calling as a implementation project. So what are the key activities into the implementation? First of all, blueprint design. According to blueprint, we have to make the configuration and change request as well. Once it is done, then the testing will roll out. Once the testing done, then we are making the go live. Okay. So this is what the journey of implementation project. Then we are coming to next project, that is our support project. So support project also we are calling as a AMS, application management services. Okay, that is our application management support. That is also we can say. So what is the like definition of this project? For an example, go live is done. Okay, ongoing support, any kind of support, like a user is facing any kind of concern or any kind of issues during the transaction or during the working on the SAP. So that kind of issues are the, we can say, the concern resolved by the AMS only, and that kind of project is support project. So like daily users resolution, bug fixing, minor enhancement, that is the part of support. Okay, so what are the key activities is ticket handling, or ticket is having L1, L2, L3. L1 means very priority tickets. L2 means middle, in the middle. Okay, and L3 means very lower. lower kind of tickets, and change request, user support, user training as well. This is the part of support project. Okay. Then we are going to data migration project. So data migration project means transferring data from one legacy system to our older legacy system to a new SAP system. For an example, as of now, many of companies using ECC. Okay, and that company or organization have to move their legacy data from older SAP to new SAP S4HANA. In that case, we have to make data migration project. Okay, what are the use cases like during implementation, upgradation, or system consolidation? We have to migrate. This data migration will happen any like implementation project, upgradation system, system consolidation. In that also, data migration will happen. Data migration means what? One system to another system, we are migrating the data, master data, transactional data, all. Okay. So in that case, we are using LTMC, LSMW, BAPI, BDC, SAP data services. Okay. So these are the tools which we are using for the data migration project. Okay. Then the upgradation project. So what is in ECC? In ECC, there is no upgradation was, or there is no versions. But in S4 HANA, there is a versions. Okay, year wise, every year, like iPhone is launching every wise iOS update. Okay, iOS 18, iOS 19. According to that, they are providing the that OS, latest OS in the iOS in the new phones. Like this only, our old phones also having the upgradation. Like this only, SAP also upgrading once in a year with the new version. Okay, so every project wants to go with newest version with the upgradation. So that kind of project we are calling as a upgradation project. So like staying current with SAP innovation, compliance, performance. As of now, SAP implemented AI. Okay, so AI also integrated with SAP. So new version like AI is upgraded. So that kind of like projects we are calling as a upgradation project. So focus area is what? System testing, custom code adoption, data validation. So these are the key areas in the upgradation project. Then we are coming to deliverable item projects. What is the deliverable item project means? For an example, you have some kind of like objects, some custom objects, okay, or some process improvements. So this is the deliverable item projects. So in that, what happened? We have a certain count of RICEPs. RICEPs means WRICEFS. Okay, so this is the RICEP. W stands for workflow, R stands for reports, I stands for interfaces, C stands for conversion, E stands for enhancements, and F stands for forms. So this is the RICEPs actually. Okay, so this is the list of RICEPs, and according to that, we have to deliver the items to the client. So specific enhancement or developments within the SAP as a mini project. Okay, and a few of them will be like huge kind of RICEP. So in that, we are going with the agile methodology. Like we are breaking that requirement into 3 to 4 phases, and then we are delivering it. Okay, so implementing a new report, workflow, or module enhancement, this is the like part of deliverable item projects. Then the scope. So scope is means well defined and limited compared to the full implementation. Okay. Then coming to rollout project. Rollout project means, for an example, as of now, I have one plant is in Mumbai, another plant is in Pune, and one plant I have implemented in Hyderabad, and for an example, Karnataka, Bangalore. Okay. So what happened? I have to roll this both the plants into my existing SAP system. So in that case, we have to make rollout project. Okay, so you can see existing extending an existing SAP implementation to the other company codes or locations. That is my definition of rollout project. So a company already using SAP and wants to roll out it to other plants or regions. That is the like use cases. Then reuses, configuration, templates, processes, or localization changes. This is the part of rollout. Then let's we understand what is the day to day. If we are working as a consultant, what is the what are the kind of consultants which are working with us? Okay, so basically in SAP there are various types of consultant based on their area of expertise or nature of work. Here we will clear the what is the role of that kind of consultants. So first of all, let's we understand what is the functional consultant. Okay, so basically the functional consultant is focuses on the business processes and configuring the SAP system according to the business requirements. Okay, are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Anybody having any concern? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it understanding, Guru?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Okay, good, good. So please keep your response continuously, so I can understand you are focusing on whatever I'm teaching. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
Yeah. Amit, you join, na?
Yes, I have, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. You, if you have any doubt now, you can just raise your hand or write down your doubt, and end of the session we will conclude or like clear your doubt. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. Good. So, here you can see the skill of that functional consultant is deep knowledge of business processes or business domain, as well as SAP configuration, how to fulfill this requirement. So what are the functional consultant is MM consultant. Like you are attending this MM material master or materials management training. So you will be become as a SAP MM functional consultant. Okay. Then SAP SD, that is sales and distribution consultant. SAP PP, production planning. SAP FICO as finance and controlling. SAP WM or EWM, warehouse management, or this EWM stands for extended warehouse management. Okay. Then SAP HCM. HCM means HR model. Okay. This is, and what is the responsibility of that functional consultant is requirement gathering during the implementation. Blueprinting means blueprint is the basic or we can say the bible of the business or the constitution of the business. Okay, so this is what how the like business will run. All kind of processes will be included in the blueprint. Okay, then the configuration, how to make the configuration. That IAMG stands for implementation guide. Okay, then testing and support. So this is the responsibility of a functional consultant. Let's go to next type of consultant, that is the technical consultant. So technical consultant means the focus is on the programming or system development using the SAP tools like code enhancement or any kind of custom enhancement. That technical consultant will do it. Okay, then the next what is the skill of a technical consultant is ABAP. Okay, then SAP UI5, Fury, CDS views, BAPIs, BDCs, smart forms, etc. These are the technical skill of technical consultant. Okay, then modules works across the modules as needed. So responsibility is like custom reports development, program development, enhancement, user exist. Okay, user exist means it is nothing but body. Okay, business add-on, this is the body. So forms, interfaces, then integration via IDOCs, RFCs. This is the IDOC and RFCs is a integration, or we can say that interfaces. Okay. So RISEP is a part of this integration and IDOCs. Then let's we understand what is the techno-functional consultant. Techno-functional means functional plus technical. Like if any consultant having functional knowledge as well as ABAP or technical, this consultant we are calling as a techno-functional. So role has to both functional and technical knowledge. That kind of consultant we are calling as a techno-functional. So skill is knowing configuration, also basic ABAP or development logic. Okay, uses case ideal for end-to-end solutioning, quick POCs, point of contacts, issue debugging, common in module like SAP MMWM plus ABAP, SAP SD plus ABAP, Pico plus ABAP. So this kind of consultant we are calling as a techno-functional consultant. Okay. And let's understand about basis consultant. What the role of basis consultant? So basic consultant is handling the SAP system administration, like giving authorization, creating your IDs, okay, like this, controlling for your user ID, like specific roles assignment. This is the role of basis consultant. So SAP installation, upgradation, system performance improvement, user admin, transport request forward to one system to another system. So this is the skill of a basis consultant or responsibilities. Like SAP system landscape setup, transport management system, TMS, okay, kernel patching, OSS note application, security and roles. So this is the roles and responsibilities of basis consultant. Okay, let's understand security consultant. So security manages the SAP user roles, authorizations, compliance. And then what is the role of that or skill of security consultant is role creation, PFCG, SUIM. PFCG means roles creation, SU0 in for user ID creation. Okay, GRC tools. So this is the like skill of security consultant, user access management, role-based authorization design. Okay, SOD analysis and mitigation. This is the role of security consultant. Then S4HANA consultant. So what is the S4HANA? Work with S4HANA database. Okay. So he is the managing the data S4HANA database like management and the data modeling performance, SQL, calculation views, Access Engine, HANA Studio, Web ID. This is the skill of HANA consultant. And responsibility is data modeling, HANA mitigation, performance tuning. So this is the roles and responsibilities of HANA consultant. Then this is the Fury and UIFI consultant. So Fury consultant means the Fury based interfaces, okay, or Fury launchpad improvement. So this is the role of Fury consultant. Develops SAP Fury applications using modern UIFI technologies, okay, HTML5, JavaScript, SUI5, OData, CDS views. So this is the skill of UIFI or Fury consultant. The responsibility is front-end development, custom Fury apps, SAP Launchpad configuration. So this is the roles and responsibilities of Fury consultant. Okay. Then SAP Analytics consultant. It is like works on BI tools and reporting, BW and S4, BW 4 HANA, SAP Analytics Cloud, Lumira, BX. Okay. And then this is the like data extraction and modeling, dashboard creation, report automation. This is the roles and responsibilities of analytics consultant. Okay. Then the another one is like this is just a sample of consultant. There are so many consultants working in the SAP. Not for the 9 here in SAP around 170 plus modules. Okay, so each of module I not describe over here. Few of consultant holds only the day-to-day like projects. We need to contact with those kind of consultants only. Okay. So here in SAP integration consultant specialize in integrating SAP with other systems, skills PIPO, CPI, IDOCs, APIs, middleware knowledge. Okay, this is the responsibilities of SAP integration consultant, system to system integration, interfaces design and monitoring. Okay, so this is the type of consultant. Let's we understand. Have you understood what is the type of consultants and what is the roles of consultants?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good, good. Okay, let's understand the next chapter. What is that? Okay, so basically, functionally, we need to understand what is the types of data in SAP. Okay, basically in SAP, if you are like in the interview also, anybody interviewer can ask you what is master data, what is transactional data. Tell me the example of master data. Tell me the example of master transactional data. This kind of questions is basic questions. and the interviewer definitely once in a any this kind of question interview can ask you. Okay, so you have to know what is the master data, what is the transactional data. Okay, so basically master data and transactional data, there are two types of data in SAP as a functional. Okay, technical there is a so many types of data, but as a functional we have to know what is master data and what is transactional data. So basically master data means a data which is valid for all applications. All applications means all the transactions, okay, within an organization. This is known as a master data. So in the master data is material master, service master, vendor master, that is we are calling as a business partner, purchasing info record, source list, quota arrangement, service master, again it is came, okay, deleted. Then batch master. So this is the example of master data. Let's we understand what is the transactional data. So transactional data means serial number also master data actually, but this is a type of transactional data. So the master data is responsible for the creation of transactional data, because we are here it is shown the it is valid for all the application. All the applications means transactions. Okay, once the transactions done, the transactional data will create with the help of master data. So master data is responsible for the creation of transactional data. If you don't have the master data, you cannot create transactional data simply. Okay, so what are the example of transactional data? Serial number, purchase requisition, purchase order, RFQ, contract, scheduling agreement, material reservation. Okay, then MRN, material MR, and this is both are same. Okay, 1 minute. I am getting 1 minute. Sorry guys. Okay, so let's we understand over here. So this is what the master data and transactional data. Have you understood master data and what is transactional data? Everyone, Amit, Guru, Lokesh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Basically, na, on this interviewer definitely ask you what is master data and what is transactional data. So comparatively, we are teaching over here, so you can easily crack the interviews. Our focus is how to crack the interviews. What are the kind of questions in the interview you interviewer can ask? Okay. So let's go to next small chapter. Let's we understand the
I have I have one question, sir. I'm sorry.
yes, yes, please tell me.
Amit, yeah. So, as you said, master data something which has like is it provided to us by the client for whom we have to like we are working, or what actually is master data? So, is it something kind of a big source of information from where we have to deduce the information that we require? Is it like that?
Good, Amit. Your question is very crucial. Okay, so basically, this master data is provided by the user only. Okay, the business from the business. So business will suggest us what is the master data. This is the our list of materials. This is the list of our suppliers. Okay, this is the list of our purchasing info record. So this is our list of our source list. So this is the master data which is provided by from the business only. Business is the responsible like person to provide the master data, and we are just configuring the basic configuration of master data and uploading this master data into the SAP system. This is the role of consultant, functional consultant. Is it okay?
Okay. So as per their requirement, they share information with us, right?
Yes.
And that the the source of the information, right? That we have to, and from that particular source, we have to create, or can we say that it's a kind of database from where we have to find out that what actually we have to configure, right?
No,
Kind
no.
of.
See, no. Basic configuration, we know how to configure it and what is the configuration. Like
Okay.
for an example, there is a raw material. Okay, so for
Uh-huh.
the raw material, we will know how to like what configuration to be required. This is the list of raw material. This is the list of finished products. This is the list of semi-finished. Like this kind of consumable materials, non-consumable materials, non-valuated, non-stock materials. So this kind of materials will be provided by the user only. We have to just configure the backend configuration and we have to upload the material. That's it. Okay, I will show you how to configure the material configuration and all kind of things. This is just a like info about the SAP. How what is the data? This kind of things we have to learn first of all.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Okay.
Hello, Relay sir. I have one more doubt. Okay.
Yes, Vivesh, tell me.
Uh, this master data related depends on industry specific, right? Like
Mm,
not this is
Vivesh,
same for yes.
Vivesh, I would request all of you, please ask me a question after the session, so it is more feasible to all of
Okay.
us
Yeah,
to
that's
like
fine. Okay. Okay.
include the questions.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so you can, if you are forgetting your questions, no worries. You can write down your
Will not it.
questions.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, this will be good to all of us because see, if we are asking in middle of that,
Yes.
I
Yeah.
will.
Our time also will be. Yeah.
Yes,
That's it.
thank
That's
you so
fine.
much for the understanding.
Yes. Yes.
Devesh. Okay. Last 15 minutes, we will take the session on the queries resolvement. Okay.
Yes. We can note it that. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay. So let's understand this activity methodology. What is the activity methodology actually? See, activity methodology means in S4 HANA, we have to implement S4 HANA system. Okay, so how it will, because we have to like follow one method. Okay, to achieve our target, to complete our project. So we will go with the activate methodology. Okay, so in activate methodology, what is this activity methodology? Basically, in S4HANA, activity methodology is a structured implementation framework and used to guide the project from project planning, how to go live, what is the way. It replaces actually older methodology like ASAP. ASAP means accelerated SAP. Okay, so we have every projects going with the activate methodology. And what is the difference? Like this question also, interviewer can ask you, what is the difference between activate methodology and ASAP methodology? So activate methodology, as at the time of requirement gathering, we are fixing the gap as well. Okay, and in ASAP methodology, we are requirement gathering will done first and then gap filling. Gap means the in SAP standards, you are not able to show the solution. This is the gap. Like you are exact, For an example, P2P cycle. P2P cycle means what? You will get the requirement from the business, then you are find out the suppliers who will fulfill this requirement. Then you will initiate the request for quotation. Once you get the quotations from the suppliers, then you will choose one vendor. Then once you chosen the one vendor, or you have selected one vendor, then you will create one purchase order. But between that, in real time business, between that, so many steps which is not available in the SAP. So for this for step, we will develop the custom solution. That custom solution we are calling as a gap. Okay, so and in ASAP methodology, we are first gathering the requirement and then fulfill the gap. So this is the ASAP, and in activate methodology, at the same time, requirement gathering, we are fulfilling the gap as well. So this is what the difference between ASAP and activate methodology. Okay, so it is designed specially for S4 HANA on premises or cloud projects. So below is the step-by-step explanation of the activate methodology. Okay, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. We'll drink some water. Okay, so here you can see these are the steps of activate methodology. First of all, discover phase, prepare phase, explore phase, realize phase, deploy phase, and run phase. Okay, run means post go live and support. So this is the 6 phases of activate methodology. Okay, if you are working in a implementation projects or data migration project, we are going with activate methodology. So let's we understand first of all discover phase. So what is the goal of discover phase? Goal is to understand S4 HANA solution capabilities and business value. Okay, so basically the key activities of discover phase is how what are exploring the SAP based practices for the that business, assess businesses and IT needs, how we can propose what they their as is processes, how which progress area to be there, what is the scope, like this we are discovering it. Okay, use SAP tools like SAP value life cycle managers, then SAP readiness check. This is the like, and what is the deliverable item is business case. We are providing the business case, solution scope, high level project plan. So this is the like we can say that deliverable item in discovery phase. We are discovering the business. Okay, this is what the discovery phase. Then from the prepare, like from the prepare phase, actual project will start. Actual project. Okay, so what is the goal of that prepare phase is initiate the project and prepare for the next steps. Okay, we are like kick-off meeting. Kick-off meeting means we are we are all the types of consultant. We are meeting together. Also, the core team members means CTMs. Okay, core team members and consultants meeting together in the kickoff meetings. Okay, from kickoff meetings, actual project will start. Then defining governance for the project, team roles, responsibilities, each and every projects, set up project environment, system, tools, etc. Conduct feed gap workshop plannings. Okay, then initial setup SAP solution manager or SAP cloud ALM. This is the like tools we are introducing in prepare phase. Okay, and what is the deliverables is project chapter, then project plan, initial system landscape, starter system access, sandbox, demo system. This is the deliverable items during the prepare phase. Then we are going to explore phase. Explore means we are exploring their SAP practices, whatever their as is processes. Okay, so we are validate the solution against the business requirements using SAP based practices. Then conduct fit to standard workshops. Fit to standards means they are using standards, but whatever the gaps we are fixing over here, identify the gaps. You can see here, identity deviation from the standard, confirm scope and delta requirements, defining configuration and value enhancements, prepare the realization. Realization means the actual configuration to be happen in realize phase. Okay, so configuration related configuration documents we will prepare over here. Then deliverable is fit and gap analysis document, like which is the gap we have identified during the explore. This document we will produce. Then configuration values list, functional specs. Functional specs means FSD for gaps. Like these gaps we have identified. For this gap, we will prepare the functional specification. Then finalize project scope. This will we will deliver this items into the explore phase. Then we are going to realize phase. Realize phase means we have to configure, build, and test the solution. This is our realize phase. For an example, we will configure the system baseline or data configuration. We can say develop the custom code if needed, perform unit testing, integration testing, prepare data migration mock testing. Okay, we can say set up like interfaces and authorization to the users. Okay, then whatever the deliverable items in the realize phases, configuration solution. Okay, test case documentation, test scripts as well, custom developments, master and transactional data loaded. Okay, this kind of like deliverable items in the realize phase. Then we are coming to develop phase. Develop means this is the previous one to go live before the go live. Okay, so in that case we have to prepare the production cutover activities and go live. In the cutover activities, we have to conduct user acceptance test, or you can say that UAT, final cutover planning. Okay, set up production environment, end user training, data migration to the production system, go live decision. So this kind of activities to be done in develop phase. Okay, then whatever the deliverable items is, finalize system, cutover plan, train users, go live approval. Okay, so this kind of items is the deliverable items in the develop phase. Okay, then the last is run phase. In the run phase, we have already post go live. Okay, we have done the go live now. So in the run phase, ensure to system stability and support business operation. This is we are also calling as a hypercare. Okay, so in that it should be around 1 month to 2 months. It's extendable up to 3 months only. Okay, depending on, and after that we'll provide the AMS support project will start. So in that, ensure to system stability. Okay, so hypercare supports first few weeks after go live, or first few months only, 2 to 3 months depending on the client relation. Okay, then monitor system performance, data accuracy, transition to SAP support or internal support team, then optimize and improve solution based on user feedback. Then deliverable items is post go live support plan, issue logs and resolution, ticket solving, continuous improvement plan. So this is the part of like hypercare, or we can say that post go live support. Okay, so this is the activity methodology roadmap. Okay, how to implement the projects. Okay, so this is what the entire project plan actually we can say. Okay, so we will stop over here today, and tomorrow onwards our first chapter, enterprise structure, will start to study. Yes, tell me if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me now. Yes, Vibish, you asked me something, no? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. The master letter related for each industry, it is different, right? It will
Yeah,
be.
each industry, because see, if you are working in chemical industry, so there is raw materials or chemical related parts, okay, or chemical related materials. If you are working in mechanical industry, okay, there or steel industry, pharmaceutical industry, Okay.
Okay.
Then what we can construction industry, Lodha, Kohinoor. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the depends on like industry to industry, master data will vary.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any other? 1 minute. Lokesh has posted one question. Point 5 deploy or develop? Deploy only. Deploy, not the develop. Yes, deploy means we are deploying the system for the user. This is deploy. Okay. Anyone? Any doubt?
Sir, one more thing also. The methodology related you explained now, right?
Yes.
Could you please explain to once again? That means
What you need to explain?
methodology related.
Means
Yeah,
what?
yes, yeah. Activate methodology. Yes,
See,
this one
activate methodology
means.
is a
Okay, tell me.
yeah, activate methodology is a way to it is a structured framework to work on the implementation project. Okay, so this is the like plan of how to go with the implementation and how to achieve our final goal, how to go live the project, whatever, like every phase having a certain activities we have to do. And once you done the 5 phases, discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and then we will go live. Okay, go live the project. This is what the planning of activate methodology.
Okay.
Can you tell one example of any project that we can do and go with all these phases? Any one example?
For an example, you are working with just chemical industry, or for an example, construction industry. Okay, so what will in discovery, the discovery in mostly the solution architect will go there. Okay, they will explore or they will discover whatever the gaps or whatever like which ERP system they are using. Okay, whatever the scope of development, then they will discover, they will propose the solutions, the solution managers or the solution architectures. Okay, then based on if we are going to prepare phase, they are we are conducting one kickoff meeting over there. In the kickoff meeting, client side, like core team members will be there. Then from our side, consultant team will be there. They will get together, meeting each other, discussing. Okay, and planning about the projects. Okay, then we are a project plan, initial the system landscapes, whatever the how many systems we have: sandbox, demo system, UAT system, development clients, configuration clients. Okay, so that we are preparing in the prepare phase. Once it is done, okay, kickoff meetings and everything is done, then we are going to explore. Then during the explore, we will understood whatever the types of material they have in the construction, like cement, bricks. Okay, cement bricks. Then what we can say that whatever the like flats they have, whatever the what kind of cements they are using. Okay, so this is the like, and how they are procuring it, what kind of suppliers they have, who is supplying the bricks. Okay, how many brick suppliers they have. Okay, that kind of things we are gathering, and then we will understand whatever the like which processes they are following, how they are making consumption. Okay, as of now, which system they are following. This is the like in the explore phase, we are exploring the their agile system actually. And then in realize, also in explore, we will suggest them, don't go with this process, this process will very lengthy, you can follow this process. This is our solution part. You are We are consulting their system, or we are improving their agile systems or agile processes. This is our role to improve their business or improve their process to procure the material. This is what our role. Okay, and then in realized system we are configuring, we are developing the custom solutions, and then in the deploy phase we are conducting the testing from the users. Like, we have developed this process, you can test it and let us know if there is any error, any kind of bug. Then we will once it is run, everything clear and everything as per the business requirement, then we will done the UAT document. Okay, user acceptance test document. And then once it is done, everything is good, then we will go with the go live. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone, any kind of concern?
Yeah, correct me, sir, if I'm wrong. So what I've understood that the usage of SAP or the SAP consultants, is it like suppose if I am a client, okay, I have certain requirements, then in that case, to procure things and to uh, put those things forward in front of client, how they can go ahead and execute their plan. Is it something that a SAP consultant do? I'm just trying to understand it because I'm quite new to it.
No, see, basically, consultant role is not that you have to just fulfill their requirement. You have to consult them what is the good practice for their business. Okay, for an example, they are procuring material in a wrong way. That you have to improve their processes. This is your consultant. You are not the user, or you are not the business analyst. You are the consultant. You have to consult the best practices, how they can improve their processes. That's what. You are not just the gathering the requirement and fulfilling their requirements only. No, you have to consult them. That's what the role.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. I think Lokesh posted one question. Let's check. Before going to live, client has to agree, right, for UAT. Yes, correct. Before going to go live, they have to test every step, every processes. Then only we will conduct the UAT, and based on that UAT, will post the go live. Yes, you are right. Anyone? Then tomorrow we will conduct first chapter, that is enterprise structure. And this is fully practical chapter on the. This is theoretical part, whatever we will study today. And from tomorrow onwards, we will make the actual system configuration. Okay, enterprise structure. Anyone?
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, I
Guru.
have one question. So, since you said tomorrow would be a completely practical classes, so for that, do we not need any
Sorry, Amit, your voice getting fluctuated.
sort of tool or something where we can practice it or even understand it? I'm so sorry.
Lokesh.
Am I audible now? Am I audible
Yes,
now?
yes. Yeah, yeah, understood. You need a
Am I
system
audible
and
now? Okay.
yes,
Mhm.
yes, I understood your concern.
Uh,
Anush is there. Anush.
Yeah, like Nilesh, I'm there. So like from Monday, everyone will be getting the server access. So I'll be giving the confirmation by tomorrow morning. So when you'll be getting access, all these things.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah. Who raised his hand? Yes, Guru. Are you
Uh,
asking something?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, if for example, if you buying any procurement on raw material, like example,
Hmm.
if we how many suppliers we need? For example, if we only one supplier, the price negotiations. How what is the maximum suppliers we need?
See,
They
actually,
they
as
only
per
given the
the
supplier list or what, sir? Actually,
yes, Guru, I'm coming to your concern. Actually, in as per the SOP of the business, at least 3 to 4 suppliers are to be there
yes, sir.
for the
Yes, sir.
comparison.
Yes, sir.
It
And
is fully depending on the business SOPs.
Okay. That price negotiations, we only handle that type of topics, right?
Yes, yes. Only buyer can negotiate with them, and based on the negotiation, like some of the suppliers having their own terms and conditions. Like, okay, we'll provide in this rate. We will need extra shipping cost, like this, and based on that, we will need advance payment. So based on the conditions and payment terms conditions, we will negotiate with the supplier.
Yes, yes. And
So
apart
many
from
factors are affecting on this.
yes, sir. And apart from we only for the what are the suppliers agreement that a particular only suppliers we need, or if we getting some new suppliers also we buy to procure them.
There are types of suppliers. Sometimes we will need a short period of the. So in that case, specifically, one-time vendor we will define it. Or sometime we will need a supplier for a long time. So we will creating contracts between them, agreements.
Yes, it is. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
That everything is in our syllabus, Guru. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Nilesh, sir,
Anyone?
that what
Yes.
that
Yes.
one
Yes.
you just said now that one-time vendor is possible to use different countries also, the same number,
Different
countries.
different countries, same numbers. I am not able to understand, Vivesh.
The one-time vendor, no,
Ah.
for short-time procurement, we have to create
Yeah,
like one-time vendor.
import suppliers also there, na?
But country will be different, na, or we are procuring.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Currency is different. Currency conversion is to be there. So specifically for the domestic purpose and for the import purpose, we
Yes,
have a separate PO types,
yes.
PO document types. So based on that, we will segregate the PO document type. We have it in the syllabus. We can understood. We
Okay.
will study it.
Okay, okay.
Don't worry. Yes. Anyone? Here you can ask me any doubt. Huh? Don't keep thoughts in your mind. If you are keeping thoughts in your mind, you will confuse. Okay, I am here to teach you. I'm considering you are a layman in a SAP. So you can ask me anything, whatever doubts in your mind. You can clear it. But see, everyone will learn. Okay, not everyone having a too much knowledge. Okay, we are learning every time. Okay, so you can ask me any question. No worries. I cannot able to judge you.
Yes, sir, we will ask.
Good, Vivesh. Okay, then I'm thinking you ask or you like done from your side. Or anyone having any doubt? If you done from your side, then we can conclude the session. Kashish, Fazil, do you have any doubt?
No, sir. Today I am clear with my doubt.
Good.
Nothing, sir.
Okay.
Nothing, sir. It's clear.
Okay. You understood. I think you are new for the session, na?
Yes.
Okay. Raghav as well.
Akshara, I think Akshara is completely silent. If you have any doubts, you can directly ask Akshara.
Yes, Akshara, you have any doubt? Uh, your voice is not getting us.
Hello.
Yeah, Akshara, tell me.
No, sir. So far, no doubt. I said that I will be asking doubts in the upcoming section, anyways.
Okay. Okay. Fine, Akshara. Thank you.
Thank you for the session.
Okay. Okay.
Everyone. Nilesh, I'll be sharing all the recorded video to you as well as all the students. Like in more than 1 hour, I'll be recording everything, and if there is any study materials also, I'll be delivering it.
Okay, okay, fine. I have a study material. I will share with you.
Sure. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.